Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Max3 channels. Today we're going to present about NMAP analysis using Raspbian operating system. But before that, let us introduce ourselves first. First is Aina Rohana binti Roslan. Matric number is 1190510. Next is Nur Ashki binti Osman. Matric number is 1190511. Lastly is Wan Amira Shazwani binti Wan Muhammad Nasrun Azwa. Matric number is 1190584. A little bit information about Raspbian operating system. Raspberry Pi operating system, or formerly we call Raspbian, is a Debian-based operating system for Raspberry Pi. Since 2015, it has been officially provided by the Raspberry Pi Foundation as the primary operating system for the Raspberry Pi family of the compact single-board computers. Next, we talk about the advantage of this operating system. First, it supports all types of codes. It's one of the best part of this board. This board works as a single board computer. You can get a Linux desktop environment in which we can code in almost any language such as C, C++, and others. This support for all types of code can make this board famous. One of the main goals of the Raspberry Pi Foundation is to provide a cheap computing to pupils so they can learn programming. The second advantage is bus peripheral support. Raspberry Pi comes with the 26 GPIO pins, which are very useful indeed for embedded projects and interfacing hardware. These pins are really useful in learning about component interfacing. We can combine multiple digital sensors altogether due to the good number of GPIO pins being given. The third advantage is faster processor. Talking about the core, when we compare it with the Arduino and other board, we can get this processor is more faster than other processor. Arduino comes with the controller, while here Raspberry Pi comes with the 1.6 GHz processor in the 4B variants of Raspberry Pi. And lastly, Raspbian OS can be used as a portable computer. This is the best part of the Raspberry Pi.
Now, I will show how to install Raspbian aka Raspberry Pi. For the Raspbian setup, VMware Workstation is used. Okay, so now let's get started.
Okay guys, now how we want to know the IP address for this Raspbian OS. So first we need to click this terminal and then we need to type the command to find IP address for this Raspbian. But if we don't know the appropriate command to find the IP address, we can type like this first. Just name help. So here there's a lot command. But now we want to find the IP address. So this one, so hostname click enter. Okay, so this is the IP address for the Raspbian OS.
Alright, so next command is NMAP st. This command is actually TCP scanning for close port. So as you can see on the screen board where I show right now, first the source will send the packet to destination, and then it send the packet to destinations. The next is the destination will decide at a packet to the source. Okay, next command is nmap sf. This command is pin scan for close port. As you can see on the screen board we're shot right now, the first is the source will pin a packet to destination. And then until line 33, the destination will reset at a packet to the source back. Okay, next command is nmap ss, which is stealth scanning. First, at line 59, the source will start send a packet to destination, and then starting at line 69, the destination will reset at a packet back to the source.
Then we use null scan. We type nmat-sn and IP address in command prompt. Then nmat will send packet without any set of bit, which is known since the port is open and no response from target host. Null scan does not set any bits and TCP flag header is 0. Now we will look into the nmat scanning. First we do nmat pn no ping. This option skips the nmat discovery stage altogether. Normally nmat use this stage to determine active machine for user scanning. By default, nmat only performs heavy probing such as port scan, version detection, or operating system detection against hosts that are found to be up. Disabling host discovery with pn causes nmat to attempt the requested scanning function against every target IP address specified. Then we use this nmat command in command prompt. Then it states that all scan ports are closed. It means a closed port is accessible or it receives and responds to nmat prop packet, but there is no application listening on it. They can be helpful in showing that a host is up on a IP address. and as a part of operation system detections. Because closed ports are reachable, it may be worth scanning later in case some open up. After that, we open the Wireshark and stop capture. Then we filter the IP address and TCP.
Now we will go to the next part, which is port scanning TCP flags.